Now we are going to enjoy with lapse upma. The side dish is curd and polyarchal, that is tamarind paste with spicy, and sambar. For 1 cup of lapse rava, 3 cups of water should be poured. After the water will get boiled, I will apply the 1 cup of lapse and I will take after cooking. For 1 cup of lapse, we should pour 3 cups of water. Actually, 1 cup of lapse, plain lapse, 2.5 cup of water is enough, but we have put vegetables also. So half tumbler extra we have put 1:3. 1:2.5 is normal. 1:3. I've I forgot to add this green chili. I will cut it and mix with it. We should add this also. I forgot to say that, sorry. Now the water is getting boiled. 1 cup of rava with vegetables, 3 cups of water I poured. Now it is boiled. Now I am going to apply 1:3 ratio rava. Now I am stirring. After a few minutes, the upma will. Now the upma is getting ready within few minutes. Vegetable lapse upma is getting ready. Now last only I will add half teaspoon of salt. Then I'll mix it. Then only it will be tasty. So now the lapse upma is ready. 1:3 vegetable lapse upma ratio. This is very easy to make for the beginners, and no ulad dal or Bengal gram dal, nothing. Very easy and simple for the elders, old age people also. It is very suitable to buy it. Thank you. Now we are going to enjoy with lapse upma. The side dish is curd and polyarchal, that is tamarind paste with spicy, and sambar.